Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Nothing Phone 2A. Over to my left, the Nothing Phone 1. Skipped out on the Nothing Phone 2. That doesn't mean I won't bring it in at some point in time, but for right now, the Nothing Phone 1 and the Nothing Phone 2A. A lot more going on with the glyph action on the Nothing Phone 1. You're only going to get a minimal experience, but enough to enjoy what Nothing has given us with the 2A. Obviously, this is a budget device, but at 350 smacks, you get a lot. You really, really do. On the back there, you got those two Samsung sensors, both 50 megapixel shooters. One is your regular wide and the other is the ultra wide. You don't get wireless charging. You don't have that coil back there. You will get 45 watt fast charging at the USB Type-C charging port at the bottom there. You got your SIM tray to the right of that area. There's your bottom mic and you got your speaker grill at the bottom there. Right in here, you can barely see it. You can see the top speaker that doubles up as an earpiece, and you got another mic at the top there. Yeah, it's just a good looking device. Feels solid, no creaks, no squeaks. And again, I love the rounded corners and that flat AMOLED 1080p display. Get up to 120 hertz refresh rate. This is the 12 gig of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. So definitely a lot of storage. I paid 350 smacks and an extra $10 for the case, which is very nice and flexible. Looks just like that. Plenty of depth, plenty of lip protecting those 250 megapixel shooters. Yeah, I'm digging that protection right out of the gate. You can see the speaker grill there, the USB Type-C charging port there, and the mic is exposed at the bottom and the mic is exposed at the top. The camera bump is very, very minimal. All right, what I want to do before I end this video, and please let me know down below what you would like from me as far as the reviewing process. I'm definitely going to give you the My Project 13 experience. I'm going to share a lot of the information with all of you during the early morning vlog. So anyway, I want to get into the glyph action here. And the glyph action is turned on. Turn that all the way up there. As far as the brightness of the glyph that I'm going to be testing out here. All right, so let's go over to YouTube. We want YouTube. I tell you, these speakers sound great. And there's the glyphy action. Yeah, it's very minimalistic. I gotta tell you something. There's many different areas you can utilize the glyph action in. For those of you that have the Nothing Phone 1, or the 2, you already know this. If you're thinking about picking up this phone for 350 smacks, at this point in the game, maybe you want to wait for me to share the experience. Wow, what I gotta tell you, feels great in hand. Feels great with the case. Without the case. Looks great. Sounds great. Smooth. I gotta tell you right now, 350 smacks. I'm impressed. I really, really am. And yeah, that's pretty darn fluid, man. All right, I'm going to head over to About Phone. And for those of you wondering, as far as the processor that is inside of this phone, the Nothing Phone 2A, what is underneath the hood powering this device? Well, it's the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro. It's not a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. MediaTek over the years has started to really make a name for itself. It's not anything like it was in the past, but I'm going to give you, again, share my experience with all of you as far as what the performance and functionality is like. If there's any hiccups, especially when I'm creating content and uploading that content to share with all of you over at YouTube. So yeah, there's going to be a lot that I throw at the 2A, and my hope is that the processor that we have here for MediaTek gets the job done. And that's it, folks. That's what I'm going to share with you. Again, if there's any questions on anything, please ask. And again, what would you like from me during the reviewing process? All right, I'm done. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.
Yeah, baby, yeah!